Good afternoon, this is Jason Scott with an update on your national and regional forecasts on this January 12th, 2012. Taking a look at the Midwest, it looks like rain is expected today over much of the eastern part of Kentucky and much of Ohio and southeastern Michigan, mixing with and changing to snow overnight tonight. A mix of rain and snow is expected today for much of the lower part of Michigan, southward through eastern Indiana, and far western Ohio through Kentucky today, changing over to all snow by tonight. Snow, sometimes heavy, is expected today and tonight in the upper and middle Mississippi Valley and western Great Lakes. Windy conditions are expected over much of the region. Diminishing winds is expected tonight in the plains. Warmer than average temperatures are expected over much of Michigan and Ohio, with colder than average temperatures in the plains and the Mississippi Valley. Highs will range from the single digits over northern Minnesota and northeastern North Dakota to around 50 degrees over eastern Kentucky and southeastern Ohio. In the northeast of the U.S., it looks like rain's expected today for southern New England, southern New York, much of Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, and tonight from central New York southward to the mid-Atlantic coast. Rain should mix and change to snow overnight tonight from southwestern New York southward through western Pennsylvania and into western part of Virginia. A wintry mix is possible today from central New York through southern parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, and shifting northward to northern New York and northern New England by tonight. Snow is expected today over northern New York and northern New England. Gusty winds are expected across the region today and tonight, with some coastal flooding possible along the coast. Temperatures are expected to be warmer than average over much of the region, with highs ranging from around 20 degrees over northern Maine to around 60 degrees near the Chesapeake Bay. Over the south, it looks like a mix of rain and snow is expected over the northeastern part of Arkansas and much of the Tennessee Valley today and into the southern Appalachians tonight. Rain showers are expected to persist over parts of the coastal plains of Virginia and the Carolinas tonight. Windy conditions are expected over much of the region, and warmer than average temperatures are expected over the southeast coastal states, with colder than average temperatures expected over the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley. Highs will range from around 30 degrees over the northern part of Arkansas to the 80s in southern Florida. Over the west, it looks like a few snow flurries are expected over the eastern part of Montana and Wyoming. Dry weather is expected across the region today and tonight. Mild temperatures are expected in California, with colder than average temperatures in parts of the high plains. Stagnant air is expected over parts of the valleys of the Pacific Northwest. Code orange, that's the air quality, is expected in parts of Central Valley of California and parts of San Francisco Bay, including the San Juan area, Frisco, and other areas. Highs will range from the teens in the higher elevations of the Rockies in the 70s in parts of the southern part of California and the southern part of Arizona. That's a look at your national and regional forecasts on this January the 12th, 2012. Join us on our website at extremestormcentral.com for the latest. This is Jason Scott, wishing you a great day.